Okay, we are going to try to install this shingle now. This shingle, for right off the bat, doesn't fit. These shingles are super sensitive. Just anything is gonna rip them, and I can't nail on the tar line to get the shingle into this roof. I can't get it up into the tar line, and this is not gonna be a watertight seal, and you can really see how we got about 1.25 inch overhang from the other shingles, and I can't get the shingle any farther up. The end of the shingle, you can see it right here, it's barely going past these open spots here in the shingles above them. And see, that's as far as the shingle will get up in here. See, make sure there's not a nail or a staple. Yeah, it should fit up in here. There's nothing blocking it. The shingle just does not fit in size. And this is gonna cause leaks any which way you look at it. Let's install the shingle. This is tough to want to do this, because if I nail anywhere up in here, the nail holes aren't going to be covered by the shingle underneath, and there's going to be no tar line to stick to. I will do the best that I can to get this to work, but as you can see, this is not going to work. Can't get these staples out without ripping the shingles up here. If I try to pull these staples out up here, the shingle here is gonna rip, and it's gonna continue to do that, and I'll be chasing every shingle to the top of this roof. See, there's one staple right here, and I'm gonna have, so to get that out, it ripped this shingle above. And this shingle here is not going to go in any farther on this roof.